So we're here today in Llandonna in the east of Ynys Môn and Anglesey, meeting tenants from Anglesey Council about how they're getting on in their homes. They've had WH grass work done. And do you want to tell me about, before you had the heat pumps and stuff, what type of heating were you on before then?
Calagas.
Calagas?
Yeah, that was okay. It
right.
was nice and cosy.
Yeah.
But this is much better. You get an ambient heat with this.
So you've got a heat pump here, and yes. How long have you had it then?
I think it's coming up to 5 years.
5 years,
yeah.
Okay. And so how do you get on with it in terms of, do you have to set it and
yes, we
use
have an app on the phone.
Right.
And you set it. The thing is to find the right temperature. Once you've found your temperature,
yep.
That's it then. It just
leave it.
A steady heat,
yep.
24 hours.
Right.
Whereas the other one, it was just while you had it on. This keeps the heat all the time, which is great.
Yes.
Yeah. So,
did you have to have new radiators or?
No, the same radiators.
Okay,
yeah,
good.
Just a new boiler. We had new boilers.
Yep.
And a lot of equipment in the attic. You know,
of course.
See that.
So you had solar panels as well,
yes,
did you?
Yes.
Yeah. And so they obviously power in the heat pump as well. Then
yes.
Is it? Yeah.
Very good in the summer. You build a credit in the summer.
Do you?
With the company. Yeah, I pay roughly £75 a month, and in the summer that adds up, and I get about 350 bonus, and that takes me through the winter. So it works out.
So it's what, like overpaying, or?
Well, yes, 75 is too much in the summer.
Right.
The solar panels.
So then it harms it out over the year.
Yeah.
So you're happy with it? So you've got an app for it. What do you do with the app?
It's on my phone, and I just, if for instance I've got to check a set of 19. If I feel it's cold, there's a plus or minus on.
Okay, give it a boost. And, yeah.
I have it set from 7 in the morning till 10. Right. And then from 5 until 10.
This looks like it's had external wall insulation as well.
Yes, new windows, new roof.
Okay. Yeah. Oh wow, as well.
New finish. Yeah. New pathways.
So it was all part of the works done at the same time as the heat pump. Right. Yeah. So nice little setup here. It's good, and it's warm and cosy and stuff. Yeah.
Very pleased.
We were running on Calagas. We had a Calagas boiler, which we have still got for backup purposes. And you know, they decided to run with the heat pumps.
We noticed the change in the bill straight away. One top tip, if you're using this now, is to put one appliance on at one time. So I'll have the dishwasher on, and then when the dishwasher finishes, I'll put the washing machine on. And we noticed the bills immediately went right down. They were sort of cut more than in half. And it's so quiet. I spend a lot of time in the garden, as you can see, and I don't even know when it's on. Apart from when you stand in front of it, you get the breeze. But other than that, no, it's brilliant. It's really good. I'd recommend it.
And the cat's really funny because in the summer when he gets too hot, he sits in front of the fan, and because it's blowing cool air through, he absolutely loves it.